Hello guys, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is if 3 to the power a plus 3 to the power minus a is equal to 5, then find the value of 9 to the power a plus 9 to the power minus a. So student, today in this video I am telling you how to find the value of this algebraic expression from this equation. Our given equation is 3 to the power a plus 3 to the power minus a is equal to 5. So student, to find the value of this algebraic expression from this equation, we have to take square on both sides of this equation. So after taking square on both sides of this equation, we can write on the left hand side 3 to the power a plus 3 to the power minus a whole to the power 2 is equal to, on the right hand side we have to write 5 to the power 2. So student, to simplify the left hand side of this equation, we have to apply the formula a plus b whole to the power 2 is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So according to this formula, we can write on the left hand side 3 to the power a whole to the power 2 plus 2 times 3 to the power a times 3 to the power minus a plus 3 to the power minus a whole to the power 2 is equal to, on the right hand side we have to write the square of 5. So student, the square of 5 is 25. So we have to write 25 on the right hand side of this equation. According to this formula, we can write in the place of first term 3 to the power 2 whole to the power a plus, and to simplify the second term, we have to apply this formula. A to the power m times a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So according to this formula, we can write in the place of second term 2 times 3 to the power a minus a plus, and to simplify the third term on the left hand side of this equation, we have to apply this formula. Okay, so according to this formula, we can write in the place of third term 3 to the power 2 whole to the power minus a is equal to, on the right hand side again you have to write 25. On the left hand side, in the place of first term, we can write in here 9 to the power a plus 2 times 3 to the power a minus a, that is 3 to the power 0, plus in the place of third term we can write in here 9 to the power minus a is equal to, on the right hand side again we have to write 25. So student, on the left hand side, in the place of first term again you have to write 9 to the power a plus, and according to this formula we can write in the place of second term 2 times 1 plus, in the place of third term again you have to write 9 to the power minus a is equal to, on the right hand side again you have to write 25. So after that, on the left hand side we get 9 to the power a plus 2 plus 9 to the power minus a is equal to 25. So student, to find the value of this algebraic expression, we have to transpose 2 from left hand side to right hand side. So on the left hand side we get 9 to the power a plus 9 to the power minus a is equal to 25 minus 2. So it will be 9 to the power a plus 9 to the power minus a is equal to 23. So student, the value of 9 to the power a plus 9 to the power minus a is 23. So this is our final answer. So student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.